So I had my friends over for the weekend and they requested I make assorted pepper soup for them. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I've got this quick assorted pepper soup recipe for you. It's so amazing and easy to make. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel as usual. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. I love you all. So let's get right into the video. For this recipe, I've got some liver, kidney, floater. I'll cook for a few minutes. So I'll rinse this off and set it aside. Then for the meat, I'll spice it up with a blend of onion, garlic, ginger, some seasoning cube and salt to taste. Then I'll cover it to cook for 5 minutes. At this point, I'll add the assorted meat, which is a shaki. I have some shaki, I have roundabout, liver, floater, kidney. I'll pour them into the pot. I'll stir very well, then I'll add a blend of my fresh pepper. Yeah, this is a pepper soup, so I need lots of it. I'll add my blended pepper, my pepper soup spice, some salt, and seasoning cube to taste. Then I'll stir very well, add more water and cover it to cook until the meat becomes soft. Add your oyaya, then cover the pot and allow this to cook. So this has been boiling for over 10 minutes, and as you can see, our meat is getting soft. It's like 80% ready. So at this point, I will be adding my scent leaf. I'll add my dry scent leaf and then cover it to continue cooking to infuse the flavor into the pepper soup. So I'll allow this to cook for about 5 minutes, and at this point it's been cooking for 5 minutes and our pepper soup is ready. As you can see, the meat is now very tender and ready to be served. So I had to garnish my pepper soup with little basil leaf. I'll stir it and then I'll remove my oyaya spice. It's done. It's done with the job that is here for. So off you go, and my pepper soup is ready to be served. We enjoyed this pepper soup with boiled plantain. Feel free to use anything of your choice to enjoy your pepper soup. You can use white rice, you can use agidi, whatsoever. It's okay. The most important thing is for you to enjoy your pepper soup. Will you be trying out this recipe? Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you around. Thanks for watching. Bye.